Welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you how to get code from Figma. We'll go through this step by step, so let's jump right in. Alright, here's our project. I've created a frame that's 1144 by 1619 pixels, which fits the width of my PC screen. Keep in mind, this might vary depending on the device you're using. A quick tip: when exporting from Figma to code, make sure your components are separated. For example, in this design, I've separated the design and company text elements so they can be styled differently. First, let's install a plugin called Figma to HTML. Just go to Find More Plugins, search for Figma to HTML, and install it. When the plugin is installed, let's move on. Select the frame you want to export, then run the plugin. Click on Convert. As you can see, it has converted our Figma project into HTML code. You can switch to view the CSS code as well. The downloaded file will contain everything: HTML, CSS, and any images. You can either copy the code and paste it into a notepad to save as HTML. Your code is generated in a second. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials. This video is part of our Figma tutorial playlist, so be sure to check out the full playlist for a complete guide.